He's 2 year 11 months old now, but he got his records 2 months back. When he was 1.5 year old, every day morning his father does yoga. So seeing him, he used to do. He used to come sit beside him and started doing everything. And every day when we do puja, he comes and sit and he whatever slokas we tell, he used to repeat it. So we came to know, okay, he is able to identify things, he is able to grasp everything. So every day we teach him small slokas in tits and bits type, not a lengthy sentence like type, but it will be easy for them to grasp it. So in that way I made him tell. In small competitions he'll participate. For example, Gandhi Jayanti, he told a Gandhi Jayanti speech. So, because now in this pandemic there are no schools and everything, so I only teach him everything. We don't want him to go more on screen time, so it's a health issue, right? So I don't prefer screen time classes and everything. It's not he's not different from other children. It's all about how we parents make him grow, make them grow. It all depends on the parents. They should identify what are his interests, and based on this interest, we'll make him do. It's not just only academics part. It's not that type. For example, we make him play boxing for his physical fitness, hands and everything. We can make him do weekly once a boxing type. So weekly once swimming pool type. At home we have a swimming pool. So in the swimming pool also we make him play with vegetables in the water. We'll ask him what is this. So in that playful way we make him recognize things and everything. So that is how we came to know that he can grasp everything like that.
Basically, I'm blessed with a very good baby boy, and he is gifted with good grasping skills. Basically, he wakes up in the morning around 6:30, and when I perform puja, he'll be with me, and he'll be listening to all the shlokas that I chant for different gods. So basically, he's spiritually connected, and even he's a very apart from spiritual thing, he's in worldly living. He's physically strong in education perspective, as well as he's very good in sports. So I feel proud of him. So basically, he has achieved 2 awards. One is Bravo International Awards, and one more is Indian Book of Records. So he got nominated and he got shortlisted in both the events. So basically, I feel proud of him, being 2 years 11 months and performing in a good way. So I feel proud of him.